Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class mathematics. Students, in this video we will start exercise 7b of decimals. Exercise 7b, question number 1 is here. Add the following. Yes. In first part 4.32, 0.62 and 7.18. Yes, we have to write all these given decimal numbers one below the other with the decimal points in the line. We have to put decimal points in a line. Okay, and digits of the corresponding places in the same column we have to put. Yes, now start adding. Yes, we have to put given decimal numbers one below the other. Yes, and the digits of the corresponding places. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 8, 12, carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11. For the 11 we will write here 1 and carry here. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 7, 12. Yes, sum is 12.12. Yes, here we will for this second part we will put all the decimal numbers one below the other with the decimal points in line and digits of the corresponding places, okay, in the same column. Now, yes, on adding we are getting 12. Yes, if we are adding 6, 7, 9, we are getting 12. For the 12 we will write here 2, carry 1, like this we will add and put point here. Answer is 131.362. Okay. Fourth part is here. 46, 64.58 and 7.452. Yes, and we will put these all correctly. And student, here be careful about the adding. On adding we are getting here, yes, 118.032. Yes, question number 1, 6th part is here. 54, 310.45, 30.8 and 2.450. Student, we will change this whole number into decimal like this. Yes, 54.00. Okay, 0 and 0. On adding we are getting here 397.706. Now question number 2 is find the following. Subtraction is here. Question number 2. First part is here. Yes, friend, you have to write 0 and 0, then add. 40.51 minus 18.61. Yes, we have to subtract smaller decimal from the bigger decimal. Okay, we have to write this first. Bigger decimal, that is 40.51, and then we will write this 18.61 below of this 40.51. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. We can't subtract this 6 from the 5. That's why we will take borrow from here. Yes. What is left here after borrow? 3. And here 9. And here 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8, 1. And 3 minus 1, 2. Like this we have to subtract. Okay. Yes. Second part is here. 36.72 minus 16.954. Yes, bigger number, bigger decimal we have to write first, that is 36.72 minus 16.954. On subtraction what we are getting? Yes, student, we have to make this. Yes, we have to write all these given decimal properly. We can put here 0 if no digit is here. Now student, we have to start subtraction. For this we will take borrow from here. It's because we can't subtract 4 from the 0. Okay, start borrow from here, left hand side. What is left here? At place of 2, at place of 3, 2 is left. And here 5, and then here at the place of 7, 6, here 1, and here 10 minus 4, 6. Here 11 minus 5, 6, and here 6, 16, 16 minus 9, 7, and 15 minus 6, 9, and 2 minus 1, 1 is here. Question number 3. Yes, first part is here. 15.42 minus 20.55. And the second part is 0.1 minus 0.51. First we will solve this. Third one. Students, in subtraction we have to first write bigger decimal, that is 20.55, and we have to write the smaller decimal below of this, that is 15.42. but minus sign is with 20.55, that's why we will use minus sign in answer. First we have to find out the subtraction. Yes, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 4, 1, and after borrow this become 10, 10 minus 5, 5, and 1 minus 1, 0. Answer is 5.13, and we will write this with minus sign because here minus sign with the bigger decimal. Okay. Second part, first we have to write the bigger decimal, that is 0.54, and this is with the minus sign, that's why answer will go with minus. Okay, and from this we have to subtract smaller decimal, that is 0.1. Okay, after putting all the digits properly at corresponding places, yes, we can put here 0 to make this easy. 4, 5 minus 1, 4, and 0 is here, and the answer will go with the minus sign because here bigger number with the minus sign. Come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is here. Find the number which when subtracted from 10 gives 4.12. Student, we can find out the required number if we will subtract this 4.12 from 10. 10, this is in whole form. First we will change this in decimal form. Okay. Yes student, 10.00, this is in decimal form, and number, that one we have to subtract, that is 4.12. After putting all these decimal digit at corresponding places, we are getting, yes, we need borrow because we can't subtract 2 from 0. Yes, after borrow this become 10, and this 9, and here also 9. 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 1, 8. Yes, 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 1, 8, and 9 minus 4, 5. Required number is 5.88. B part. In B, he is asking a number exceeds 16.27 by 5.723. Find the number. In this case, we can find out the required number after adding given decimal numbers. Yes, we will put all these correctly. Put here 0 to make this easy. 0 plus 3, 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 2 plus 7, 9. Put the point, and 6 plus 1 plus 5, 11. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 21.993. This is the required number. In question number 5, we have to simplify. Come to this first part. 2.7 plus 5.12, 3.95. Yes, student. First, we will add these positive numbers 2.7 and 5.12. Yes, on adding we are getting 2, 8 point here 7.82. Okay, minus, and we have to subtract from this 3.95. Yes, put all the values correctly at corresponding places. 7.82, 3.92. On subtraction we are getting here 95 is here. We can't subtract this 5 from 2. We need borrow. Yes, this becomes 6. Here 17 and here 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 17 minus 9, 8. Put the point. 6 minus 3, 3. 3.87. Fourth part. 100 minus 3.56 minus 13.6 minus 23.455. Yes, student. First, we will take all these negative numbers and we will add all these negative numbers. Like this we will add. Okay. And put the 0 if there is no more digits after the point. And okay, this make calculation easy. On adding, we are getting 40.615. On adding all these negative decimals, we are getting 40.615. Yes, right here. And we have to subtract this from 100. Okay, on adding all these negative number, we are getting 40.615 and we have to subtract this from 100. Yes, on subtraction we are getting 59.385. Yes. To make the calculation easy, we can make this 100 as a decimal number. Okay. After 6, come to the 7. 26.1 minus 15.82 minus 12.18. Yes, we will add these two negative numbers. Okay, on adding we are getting 28.00. Now we will subtract this 26.1 from 28.00 because this is 28 is bigger than 26.1 and we have to subtract small from the bigger decimal number. Okay, 28.00, 26.1. Subtraction we are getting 0, 10 minus 1, 9, 7 is left here, 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, 1.9. And it will go with the minus because here 28 is bigger and this with the minus sign. That's why this will go with the minus sign. Rest parts of question number 1, 2, 3 and this 5 you have to do yourself. One more part is here, 8. Yes, 5.36 plus 6.68 minus 18.7 minus 0.8. Friend, we will add this positive number together and negative number together. Sum of the negative number will go with the minus sign. On adding this negative number, we are getting 19.5 and addition of these positive number 12.04. Okay, now we will subtract this 12.04 because this is smaller than 19.5. Okay, 19.5, 12.04. On subtraction we are getting 7.46 and this will go with the minus sign because here 19 is greater than 12. Now question number 6, represent the following decimals on the number line. First is here 1.5. Student, to represent this number in number line, first we have to draw a line, a straight line we have to draw. After this we have to mark a point O on it, okay, in between, and label the point O as 0. This is 0. Take the unit of length and mark point A1, A2, it's extra, on the right of the O, okay, such that OA equal to A1, A2. This at the equal distance we have to put the point A1, A2, and this is also equal to A2, A1, A2, A2, A3. All these should be equal. Now label the points A1, A2, A3, it's extra as 1, 2. Okay, on left hand side we will take B1, B2 as -1, -2. Okay, and we have to divide this OA1 into 10 equal parts. Yes, OA1, E2, B1, B2 all should be at equal distance, and the distance between the 2 point should be equal, and we have to divide 2 points into the 10 equal parts. Okay, yes, here 1.5 to represent this 1.5. Student, this is not here, we have to represent this here after the 1. Divide this into the 10 equal part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And yes student, we will divide like this, A1 and A2 into the 10 equal parts, and the point we have to put 1.5. yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the correct place for this 1.5. Come to the next. Next is 2.5 and -2.5. First we will draw a straight line and put the points A1, A2 on right hand side, B1, B2 on left hand side of this origin O. Yes, and A1, A2, A3 as 1, 2, 3, and B1, B2, B3 as -1, -2, -3. And we have to put 2.5 positive. Come to this. Yes, after A2, yes, 2 is here. This is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and this is the correct place, 2.5. Okay, now come to the left hand side, -2.5. yes, at the B2 here is -2. This is the main. After this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the correct place, -2.5. Like this we have to represent these given number. And student, rest part try yourself. Yes, this is third part. Next is here question number 8. Aftab bought 2 meter 80 centimeter length of cloth for his shirt, 1 meter 25 centimeter for his trousers, and 3 meter 5 centimeter the shirt of her sister, and the total length of the cloth bought by him. For this student, we have to make 2 columns, one for the meter and second for the centimeter, and we have to put all the given deserts at corresponding places, and we have to add, then we will get the total length of the clothes. Here like this. Yes, here. Yes, Aftab bought cloth for his shirt, this one column for the meter, second for the centimeter, and for his trousers this, and for shirt of her sister. Like this we will we will put the values. In centimeters we are getting 110. For the 110 we will put here 10, and 1 as a carry we will add this in meter, because 100 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. and here is 110. If you will take 100 from 110, what is left here? 10. Is 110 minus 100, you will get only 10. On adding this 1 here in meter, we are getting 7. Required cloth is, and total length of the cloth bought by him 7 meter 10 centimeter. Come to this 9. Student, question number 7, try yourself. Only you have to add there. Okay, just add all the rupees you have to add in question number 7. Come to the 9. In 9, Anshul purchased 4 kilogram 500 gram rice, 8 kilogram 750 gram flour, and 2 kilogram 20 grams sugar. Find the total weight of purchases. For this student, we have to make 2 columns, one for the kilogram, second for the gram, and put the digits at corresponding places, and we have to add like this. Student, we will put all the values. Yes, kilogram below the kilogram, gram below the gram, and add these carefully. On adding, we are getting 15 kilogram and 250. Student, on adding these gram digit, we will get 1270, and this is more than 1000, and 1000 is equal to 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. We will shift this 1000 gram here, the kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, and what is left out of 1270? 270. We will put this 270 here and take 1000 here with the kilogram. Okay, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 13 plus 2, 15 kilogram. Total weight is 15 kilogram 270 gram. Like this we have to add. Question number 10 is here. Bhavya's school is at a distance of 6 km 50 meter from her house. She travels 600 meter on foot and the rest by her school bus. How much distance does she travel by bus? Students, if we will add this distance on foot, and we will take this distance on foot and we will subtract this from this total distance, then easily we will find the rest distance. Come to the solution. Yes, distance of school 6 km 50 meter, and she travels on foot 600 meter. Okay, we have to subtract this. Student, we can't subtract this 600 from the 50, that's why we need borrow. We will take 1 kilometer from here. What is left here? 5. And what is it become here? If we will shift this in meter, 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 1000 is here, and 1000 plus 50, 1050. 1050 is here. Now we have to subtract this 600 from 1050. Okay, and here 5 kilometer. On subtraction, we are getting 450, and 5 minus 5. 5 minus 0, 5 is here. Yes. She travel by bus 5 kilometer 450 meter. Come to 13. Question number 11 and 12, student, try yourself. 13 is here. A milkman had 35 liter and 50 milliliter of milk. He sold 28.750 liter of milk. How much of milk is left with the milkman? Yes, student, we will subtract this 28.750 liter from 35 liter and 50 milliliter. Student, we will make here two columns, one for the liter and second for the milliliter, and we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, put the values. A milkman had milk 35 liter and 50 milliliter, and he sold 28 liter 750 milliliter. Yes, we have to subtract this 750 from 50. We can't subtract, that's why we will take borrow from here. What is left here? 34. Here left 34, and here 1000 plus 50, that is 150. 150 minus 750, we are getting 300. This is milliliter. 34 minus 28, 6 is here. It means the left milk is here 6 liter 300 milliliter. 6.300 milliliter we can write. This is left. Come to the next question number 4. Question number 14 is here. Chanchal had 750.25 rupees. He bought rice for 46.50 rupees, wheat flour for 38.75 rupees, and biscuits for 9.50 rupees. How much money did he spend, and how much was left with him? For this student, we will add cost of rice, cost of wheat flour, and cost of biscuits. These three we will add together, and addition we will subtract from the total money. Come to the solution. Yes, cost of rice, cost of wheat flour, and biscuits, we will write these correctly. All the desserts according to places. On adding, we are getting 94 rupees 94.75 rupees. Okay, that he spent. Okay, 94.75 rupees, and total money is here 750.25 rupees. From the total money, we will subtract spent money. On subtraction, we are getting 655.50. Student, here we can't subtract 7 from the 2, that's why we will take borrow. We will take borrow from here. What is left here? 749, because here 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 100 minus 75, 100, and here 25 also. 100 plus 25, 125. 125 minus 75, 50 you will get. Okay, 749 minus 94, 655. This is the left money. This is the left money. Next, last one. Amit had to reach his home at a distance of 112 km. He covered 73 km 185 meter by taxi, 24 km 75 meter by auto, 12.5 kilometer by bike and the rest of the distance by rickshaw. How much distance did Amit cover by rickshaw? Total distance has to cover 112 kilometer. Yes, friend, for we will add travel by taxi, travel by auto and travel by bike. All these three distances we will add. Yes, for this we will make here two column, one for the kilometer, second for the meter. Yes, now after putting values we are getting here 109 kilometer and 760 meter. Be careful about this. Yes, 73 kilometer 185 meter, and you have to put all the digits at the corresponding places. And 12.5 means 500 is here. If you will change 0.5 into the meter, you will get 500, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, now student, we will subtract this 109 kilometer 760 meter from 112. Yes, here, yes, after subtraction we are getting 2 meter 240 meter. It means the left distance is here 2 meter for 24 meter. This is the left distance. Student, last 16 you will try yourself. Up to next video. Thank you everyone.